Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the Viewing to Huck's World. And yes, people, you gotta get creative around here. We gotta change up our style depending on the day, depending on the emotions. This is gonna be a nice watch face to check out. It's called Vintage. I do like this look. It is an analog watch face and it does give you the date. Now, we're gonna be able to customize the theme of this watch face as well. Now, I do like the way that it looks in the background. Looks really, really nice with this black theme. I'm liking it. Now, once the watch face is on, the design is nice, very simple, an analog watch face with a date. You got a nice ticking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, right? Very unique. And if I want to, I could double tap, right? And I can bring up, of course, my battery info, double tap right here, and I could bring up my calendar. So I thought that was a good look. Tap right here, and now I can change the theme to many different things. We're gonna cycle through them all just to give you an idea of what you're gonna be in for. Now, the watch face was free at the time that I downloaded it. I'm not sure if it's still free right now, but if you like this watch face, I'm quite sure there's nothing wrong with taking a look. I thought this was definitely unique, a nice one to review, just to give you something different, something fresh, of course, something new. And you got many different things that you can change to. Maybe the ladies will like it more than the guys. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for this quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button on the way out. And if you didn't, hit the like button on the way out. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Have a super awesome day.